How to apply for an openRSD login. To apply for an openRSD login, head over to edalex.com/openRSD. On the openRSD landing page, there is an option to browse the account levels so you can select what type of login you would like, or as you scroll through the information, you'll come to create an account to get started. You can select that option too. On the account level page, you'll find some information regarding both the free and paid account and a table which displays what's included in each. You'll notice that the free account has up to 3 users and the paid account has 4 to 15. There are also ticks and crosses indicating what is and isn't included in each account type. Once you've browsed the accounts and selected the type of account you would like to apply for, click either the Order Online button for the free account or the Price on Application Request a Quote button for the paid account. The free account will open the openRSD free account order form. Complete this form with your details. Note that you can nominate up to 3 registered users. Agree to the terms and conditions, which are hyperlinked here and available for browsing, and then select the Submit button. You'll know your application has been received when the Order has been received confirmation page displays. To order a paid account, it is a similar process. Open the openRSD paid account order form, fill in your details, agree to the terms and conditions, which are hyperlinked here for browsing, and select Submit. Again, you will get an Order has been received confirmation. In this case, Edalex will contact you to discuss the features that you would like included in your paid account. If you have ordered a free account, your login details will be sent to you, and then you can head over to openrsd.com and log in. Please see our next video on logging in and browsing RSD collections.